Hi everyone, welcome to the first episode of this educational series on sliding mode control for autonomous underwater vehicles or AUVs. My name is Safa, and in this video we're going to answer a simple but important question. What exactly is an AUV? Why are they important? Where are they used? And why do they need smart control systems like sliding mode control? An AUV is a self-contained underwater robot that operated without a continuous link to a human pilot. It can navigate, collect data, or perform mission on its own, completely untethered. This makes them different from ROVs, which are remotely operated by cable. AUVs are used in many fields: ocean mapping, military surveillance, oil and gas pipeline inspection, and environmental monitoring, even deep sea exploration. Their autonomy allows them where humans can't and stay there for long periods. But controlling an AUV is not easy. Their motion is non-linear and seeks DOF. The underwater environment is uncertain and filled with disturbance like currents and waves. That's why classic control methods like PID often fail. And we need a robust method like sliding mode control. In the next episode, we'll model the basic dynamics of an AUV using MATLAB and understand how we can represent it for control design. Make sure to subscribe, and if you're following along, here's a small challenge. Your mini challenge: find one real-world AUV out there, maybe from a company, navy, or university, and write down 3 facts about it. It helps you connect theory with the real world. Thanks for watching. This is Safa. We're learning together, one concept, one line of code at a time.